Darren walked in and quite literally hugged the end of your island bench.
Wow.
Oh, that's real stone.
That is a monolith. That is amazing.
Wow.
If you want to talk show-stopping kitchens, then House 2, George and Sarah, is a great place to start. Congratulations, I haven't seen it this clean and tidy ever.
Neither have I. Neither have I.
That's for us.
It's lovely to see it nice and clean, actually, because you see its true beauty.
Let's start with this natural stone benchtop because it really is the hero piece, although it's been beautifully complemented throughout. What was the idea behind this particular benchtop?
Well, we had a consultation with Kinsman and we found something very similar in one of their brochures where it had the waterfall curved stone bench, and I said, I've got to have it.
That's it, so this was actually the starting point for you.
Yeah.
And then the idea to change over the benchtop over here to the intense white works so beautifully, doesn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't compete with the one or the other. So yeah, we definitely wanted to keep it nice and slim, really simple, and then let this be the hero.
You have 5 beautiful homes, 4 others, and we really wanted to compete.
We wanted to stand out,
and we thought maybe the best thing to do is like a natural stone. And we spoke with Kinsman back and forth, and they said the best way to do this beautiful curve is with a natural stone.
Right.
We're big where we're from about having family over and eating around the kitchen and stuff like that. So Sarah's idea was to kind of have a lot of seating around.
Yeah, so you could cater for people when they come over, have coffee here, have celebrations here. So this is really the heart of the home.
I think the beauty of your home is this beautiful monochrome palette that you've kept throughout. And of course the wood mat over here, this beautiful dark veneer is extraordinary, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really beautiful, the Bottega oak, it's stunning.
The Bottega oak.
Yes, yes. So we have this running throughout our cabinetry throughout the home too.
And I don't know if you know this, Shelley, but this is actually a fridge.
Ta-da!
That's my favourite place in the whole house.
Well done
Can
on
you
your
tell?
display
Thank
hands
you,
there.
you're
Yeah, nice work.
Yeah.
Now, I've heard that the bins in the block houses are something that I have to check out. The Ninka bin. What is a Ninka bin?
Look, it's right here for you to check out. Where is it? Just
That one there, yeah.
quite integrated.
Double with the soft close.
Not one, but 2. One in the Butlers as well.
And the shaker profile?
Yes, that's something that we loved straight away, didn't we? So
Yeah, that was something we really wanted to build the kitchen around the shaker doors.
It's always the question with island benches, should the sink be right in the middle, or should it be in your island bench, or should it be on the opposite side? But when you've got the Oliveri here, and it's a stunning little tap with its pull-out nozzles,
it's
this beautiful finish on this one, it really is, I guess it's almost like a work of art in the middle of your bench.
It screams quality, let me just tell you that. I want this at home. We thought, put the sink here, it's a family home, so in the island bench you'll be washing up, talking to your family across in the living room, so just have it here instead of staring out into the brick fence. So, that's our decision.
Yeah, pride of place.
Pride of
Right in the
place,
middle.
that's right.
Then you guys have the Bosch appliance package.
Yeah.
George, do you know any of the features of the Bosch appliances?
This is going to be
Come on,
interesting.
mate.
I certainly do, Shelley. Well, this is a Bosch integrated cooktop. So it's actually an induction cooktop, so you can cook and you don't need a range hood at the top. Everything gets sucked down out into the backyard. So without losing that beautiful fluted glass look above. So that's one feature we really did like. And then we've got obviously the Bosch ovens and / microwave, and then a Bosch coffee maker, which, we're all about that. If Sarah doesn't get a coffee, it's hard for everyone.
Oh, is it?
So we've definitely got to make sure Sarah gets a coffee.
Fire that baby up.
Yeah.
It's got to be running 24/7.
And I think the fact that you've got this obviously makes your line of cabinetry up the top here just absolutely sing. Whose idea was the Broadline Glass?
Well, it was, look, Kinsman kind of showed us an example of it. It's not a big thing in Sydney.
No, it's
We've
not.
never seen it, and they showed us, and we were like, oh, I don't know.
OCD, we're like, glass,
We don't
stuff,
know. Once we saw that, we're like, oh my God,
Beautiful.
that is amazing. And we loved it that much that we actually integrated it into our Game Changer door.
Yeah.
So it's got like a little piece of fluted glass as well to match it, so it just ties in.
Now your pantry, or your butler's pantry, in fact your butler's kitchen, it's enormous, is a sight to be seen, so let's head in there.
Yeah. Well, this is it, Shell.
Oh, and it is well worth the wait, isn't
Yes.
it? So you have a second dishwasher
Just here.
in here,
Another bin just there.
another Ninka bin. I love the fact that you actually didn't integrate your second dishwasher in
Yeah.
here. It just gives it a bit more of that functional feel.
Agreed.
That's right, yeah.
And the Oliveri sink with a billy tap.
Yes.
Now, the pièce de résistance in
Yes.
this kitchen is, of course, the brand new Climber.
Can I show you how it works?
Please do.
Go
It's my
back.
favourite. No more opening cupboards, Shelley. Ta-da! Bang.
That is insane.
It's epic. Isn't
In
it?
Brighton, you don't open cupboards. You don't have time to open cupboards.
No,
so you
you
press a
don't.
button, it opens, bang, and then you don't have time to close. So you just go, boom, and out
Walk
you
out.
go.
But I guess as well too, if your hands are dirty, you just hit it underneath and just walk off. So keeps your cabinetry cool, like nice and clean.
I love the fact that again you've gone with the monochrome palette in here and
Yep.
followed through the intense white bench tops right up your splashback
Yep.
into that beautiful LED strip along the top.
Yeah.
This is an entertainer's pantry, isn't it?
Yeah.
really is.
So
It really
good.
is.
It really is beautiful.
We wanted to achieve a feature where, you know, that's the showpiece. This is where all the dirty stuff happens.
Yeah.
You can
Oh,
still work, you
excuse
can do all your dishes, do all your, you know, cut up your vegetables, and everything still looks clean.
Yeah.